Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky Mugambi, and if you're looking for modern real estate to invest in or even buy and live in, this is the channel to subscribe to. I also do some side hustle videos, like if you're interested in online writing. If you're interested in commercial modeling, I will show you and hook you up with those jobs. So please remember to subscribe and like and share if you find these videos interesting. This is VIDA Apartments. VIDA Apartments is located along Roasters of Thika Road. And as you can see, it has many amenities, including swimming pool and the gym. Mivida apartment is right outside or right next to the entrance of Garden City Mall. So the mall is just right next to the buildings. So you don't really need to walk or a long distance or drive a long distance to get to the mall. The units come with an inbuilt 4-burner cooker, like the way houses in the US come with inbuilt cookers, fridges, and washing machine. But this one only comes with the inbuilt cooker. This is a 3-bedroom apartment that is already furnished for show. So basically, it's the showroom, and I'm not gonna speak much, but I am going to let you enjoy the video and explain where I need to explain. But basically, yes, these houses do come with an inbuilt 4-burner cooker and oven. So in this video, you're gonna see 2 houses. This is a 3-bedroom apartment that is already furnished and has deco, has wallpaper, and has furniture. The other one is a 2-bedroom apartment that has nothing. It's just an empty house tour, so that you can see the difference of the 2 houses. Both of the houses have SQ. The 3-bedroom apartment goes for 104,000 Kenya shillings for rental, or 15 million bei ya kuongea, yani bei ya kwaria. Yani kuanzia 15 million kwenda juu, lakini hata ukitaka kwenda chini unaweza enda chini, but yes, basically from 15 million bei ya kuongea. Basically, that is what I was told. Now, this is my VIDA 2-bedroom apartment that is empty, but as you can see, it still has the 4 burner cooker. Doesn't have the washing machine or the fridge, but as you can see, it has enough hot water heater. But as you can see, look at it, it's similar to the 3-bedroom that you have just seen with the inbuilt cooker, but without the furnishing, without the fridges, without the furniture, without the deco, and without anything else. The 2-bedroom apartment with an SQ goes for 89,000 shillings a month. If you choose the one that does not have an SQ, it goes for 79,000 Kenya shillings a month.